Order in the court.
Order confirmed.
Not that kind.
Cancelled. Boot.
Do you swear to tell the truth?
Absolutely not.
Bold.
Proceed.
Objection!
On what grounds?
Everything!
Everything?
Yep! The whole legal enchilada! Noted.
Remain silent.
No!
Please.
No! No!
Say.
Hearsay!
Stop.
Stop! 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 Hearsay! Stop! Say stop! Stop!
Isn't it true you were present?
I'm always present!
Answer the question.
Which one?
Maintain decorum.
Of course, Your Honor.
Sir.
No.
I present Exhibit
I'm
B.
Exhibit C!
Sit.
Symbolically!
Exhibits multiplied.
Stand, answer yes or no.
Maybe. Counsel? Maybe.
Counsel? We discussed this.
We did not.
Objection. Vibes.
Denied.
Appeal. Vibes.
Also denied.
It wasn't my fault.
Whose was it?
Circumstances.
Circumstances are not present in court.
It wasn't my fault.
Whose was it?
Circumstances.
Circumstances are not present in court.
I've decided. Everyone take a breath.
I'll decide. I decided first. You can't. Watch me. I decide, watch me.
Don't say anything.
Anything!
Counsel?
We're working on it.
Client.
Exhibit A.
Exhibit B!
Sit.
Sitting.
Adjacently.
This can't be real.
It is.
I regret learning to read.
Aldrich.
This is your final warning.
Final like final?
Yes. I don't believe you.
Why isn't this working?
It's off.
I know that. I meant emotionally.
Isn't it true you were present?
I'm always present.
Answer the question.
Which one?
Do you swear to tell the truth?
I swear a lot.
Not like that. We're already off track.
I swear a lot.
Oath misunderstood.
I will decide.
Yes, Your Honor.
I decided.
You didn't.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you've heard the evidence, and now...
Case closed!
Not yet. My bad.
Any final remarks?
No, Your Honor.
Yes.
Briefly.
Thank you, esteemed court! Justice, like seed, must first be planted, then watered with truth, pruned by fairness, and finally allowed to bloom for the good of all feathered and unfeathered alike.
Instructed.
Ah!
Objection!
Objection!
Ah!
On what grounds?
Irrelevant.
Irrelevant!
Both of you? No.
Court is adjourned. I meant emotionally.
I know my rights.
Name one.
The good ones?
Sit down.
Objection!
On what grounds?
Vibes.
Order in the court!
Okay. Not you.
Oh. Especially not you.
Question final or question?
Define final!